What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm unboxing two iPhone 11 Pro Max and 11, those are the two 11 Pro Max 64 gigs. This is in white and this is in gold. So let's unbox those and see what they're inside. I have also my old iPhone 10 here. So let's unbox this. So this is the golden one. So we have here the phone itself. Some paperwork, and it comes with the fast charging with USB Type-C and with also the fast charger. So this will charge your phone faster than a regular phone. So you're gonna keep this side. Also come with a headphone jack, headphone with the one that works here. It's really a beautiful phone. So we're gonna turn this on, set it up. So the phone just boot up. This is the new one, the golden color. This is my old one. This is 10. So I'm switching all the content from here to the newer one. So there is a couple of new features on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So it has a triple camera compared to iPhone 10 has only two. So both two cameras are the same, but the third one will give you an ultra wide feature. So right now it's transferring the data from one phone to another. It seems like it's gonna take a while. It says it's 11 minutes, so I'm assuming it might gonna take maybe longer. So we'll see. So here we go, to iPhone 11 Pro Max side by side. So this is the white one and that's the golden one, rose gold. So those are really beautiful phones, and this both has a triple camera. It can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second, I think, and it has a really amazing night mode, so you can take a video and picture at the night. It takes the pictures better than any other phone at the market. So if you want to compare that with the old iPhone 10 or 10s, the camera is really a next level, and also it is right now it's seriously the best camera period. So there is no any personally I think there is no any other phone, even an Android phone, that can take a better picture and a video than the newer phone. I mean, it also depends on the personal choice, but personally I think they are the most amazing phone at the moment in the market. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want me to do any other unboxing, I can do other unboxing too. So I have the other product that I own in the past. You already see me unboxing this Stadia before. So I already have this one, the mesh network. If you want me to unbox this, I can do that too. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. And if you want me to review something, you can do that too. Thank you for watching my channels. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.